Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to edit your custom dictionary in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open a page, click on this three dot icon over here and select settings. On left side you just need to select languages. On right side you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the option customize dictionary. Click on it and add a new word. In here you just need to enter in a custom word you want to add. For example, I'm just going to add a name. After that click on add word, and now the name has been added guys. So if you want to remove a word you added before, you just need to click on this arrow icon over here to delete it from the customized dictionary. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.